Alright, so DJI just had a new product release a couple of days ago, and it wasn't really an upgrade to the Mic 2 that we traditionally use, as you can see right here, but to add to their product ecosystem, and that was to announce the DJI Mic Mini that you can see right here. And I was super excited about these simply for the fact of the portability of these and the price point. So for this whole kit, the two mics and the receiver, and obviously the charging case that goes along with it, this baby is only 169 bucks. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below if you're interested for Amazon or Best Buy. They're not on sale for Black Friday, unfortunately. However, these are awesome if you are a content creator and want to be more mobile. There's a lot of competitors in this space, specifically Rode, but DJI and their ecosystem, if you use a Pocket or one of their other items, even down to the new Neo, these will wirelessly connect to them. Let's unbox it and take a quick look. So keeping consistent to their packaging, as you can see, the DJI Mic Mini has a display of what's in the box right up front, a little quick breakdown of it being a wireless mic, and more importantly, the details on the back. One of the big things you'll notice right off the bat when we open it is the weight. It does say small, ultra light, and discreet, coming in at only 10 grams. The Mic Mini 2 comes in over 30, so this is literally a third of the size. Very nice from a portability standpoint. It does say high quality audio with stable transmission, which is one of the big selling points with just how long this reception range is. 48 hours of operation with the case. DJI Osmos audio. So as it says direct connection for premium sound quality. 2 levels of active noise cancellation or ANC, which is very cool here. What the competitors don't have, specifically that Rode we were talking about. And an automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. And you can see what comes in the box. So in this packaging, you're getting the receiver, 2 Infinity Black transmitters. There is a white option as well. The charging case, a carrying pouch, 2 clip magnets, the mobile phone adapter as well. If you want to use this with your iPhone or Android device, it is a USB-C adapter. 4 windscreens, it says. Camera audio cable, USB-C charging cable, and obviously all the documents. Let's go ahead and cut right into this. I was a little surprised, I guess you can say, to see that it didn't have a simple tear. It actually has plastic on the packaging. A lot of companies are going away from that, but for now, DJI is leaving that on the packaging. So once you actually do that, you have your pull tabs and you can slide this simply out. And as DJI does, they package everything together in its package when you don't buy these individually. And you can see it comes with a sticker, some reading material. We'll toss that right to the side. The star of the show right here is going to be that Mic Mini. Let's see if we can open it with their tab. There we go. And all right. So here is that pouch that it came with. Pretty nice. I don't know necessarily if this is going to be needed since it is in a hard shell container as is, but you have a little lanyard loop, some more about the product, and then everything else inside. So first things first, you have those windscreens, and again, we can tear this right open so you can get a look at them and see just how tiny these babies are. And you can see they actually attach a little differently than what the Mic 2s are. It has 2 clips on the side that kind of sit there instead of going into the mic itself. Next up is that audio cable and USB-C cable. It looks like it's actually a USB-A to a USB-C cable, which is somewhat surprising. They didn't just do USB-C to USB-C, but yeah, sure enough, it isn't. So keep that in mind. If you have no USB-A chargers, you might need one for this, or just use another USB-C cable if you wish. There's your audio cable. And then here is the mics and nothing else aside from these little beads. Toss that to the side. And here it is. The package itself, or I should say the charger, is a little larger than what I was expecting here. I thought this would be more pocketable considering how small this is, but unfortunately it does still look somewhat large. Aside from that, you have your charging lights on the front still. Press to unlock right here and it will open up. We'll pull this tab in a second. You have that USB-C charger and DJI's logo right up top. Let's go ahead and pull that right off. And once you do that, you can see right off the bat the 2 mics and the receiver and your power level. So here it is, this baby is probably as small as you can make it right now for the quality that DJI is claiming in these. One good thing too is this really is a lot lighter than the Mic 2 that we're using. So if you're worried about it pulling down your shirt, that should not matter quite as much with these. As you can see, it does have that magnet right on the back. Or if you don't want to use that, it does still have that clip. So you heard that. And then the receiver itself is right here. You can wear it if you choose, again with a clip. There's your audio cable. And you can see it is paired with the first mic. And you can actually choose your gains right from here, which is good quickly in a pinch if you want to adjust that. And it's literally that easy. You do as well have that USB-C adapter if you want to use this with, say, your iPhone or something like that. That's all you will need to do in order to get this working with your iPhone for better audio quality, just like that. And if it's nothing you'll use, simply pop it off just like that. And you can just put this right back on top and you will be good to go. So for $169 for 2 mics and the receiver, I mean, I think this is a great deal. You can see you have your LED light on the side letting you know it's connected and paired with the receiver, and you're really good to go. You do obviously have your other one, and as soon as you pull this one out of the case, you can see it's actually pairing as well, and you will be good to go with both of these side by side. So there it is, it paired with both, and now you can have a whole conversation, an interview, or just have 2 people to communicate with all of these mics in a much more portable package. What's very cool too is if you use, like we said, the Pocket 3 or one of those, this will actually wirelessly connect right to it. You don't even need the receiver, so just so much versatility here. It is very nice to see, and again, that price point really, I personally don't think can be beat. So that's all for this. We'll have a ton of other coverage. We will do obviously a mic comparison eventually on this with the Mic 2 that we're using right now. But as far as this product goes, that's what you can expect. Again, I'll throw the link up down below. If you want to pick them up, please use that link. It greatly helps out the channel, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.